Happy Hirono Fever Friday, checking my card collection to see what I have. I have Mantle Clock, Traffic Cone, Warrior, Birdcage, Poet, Sunny Doll, and Alien. Let's see who I scored late one night on Whatnot. Quick look at the entire set. And I scored Birdie for $12 on Whatnot. There he is with his bell accessory, and there is his card. My next score on Whatnot that night was for $17, and it is Circus. There's his card, and I would say it's a successful night on Whatnot. A little late night shopping that didn't break the bank. Happy Hirono Fever Friday. And here's my updated card collection for Hirono Shelter.